Hi everybody, welcome to my first sewing tutorial. My name is Laura and today I will show you how to make the Olivia skirt for you and your mini-me. With the patterns that I create, you can make cute matching outfits, perfect for moms and little girls from babies to toddlers. You can buy this pattern in my Etsy shop. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Place the right side of the front and back piece together. Stitch the side seams and overlock the sides together with a zigzag stitch or overlock stitch. I use an overlock machine. Take the ruffle pieces, right sides together, and sew and overlock the ruffle sides together. Double fold the hem with 1 cm and top stitch with a straight stitch. Set your stitch length very long and the tension very high on your sewing machine. Then sew right down the long side of the fabric, approximately a half centimeter. Pull the thread to gather the fabric into a ruffle. Pin the sides of the ruffle and the skirt together. Then divide the ruffle evenly to the skirt. Stitch the seam. Remove the thread that created the ruffles and overlock the seam. Pin the right sides of the short edges from the waistband together and stitch. Place a pin to mark the center front and the two sides. Also place a pin to mark the center front and back on the skirt. Fold the waistband in half and pin it to the skirt. Stitch the waistband to the skirt, right sides together, and leave 5 cm open so you can put in the elastic band. Measure your waist and add 2 cm. Cut your elastic and place the safety pin at one end of the elastic. Thread the safety pin through the opening. Now you could pin the end of the elastic together. You could try on the skirt and check if the elastic is tight enough. Then stitch the elastic together with a zigzag stitch. Stitch the opening and overlock the seam. Press the skirt and you're ready to go with your mini-me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!